Looking for the best fuel system cleaner to improve engine performance, restore fuel efficiency, and reduce carbon buildup? In today's video, we count down the 5 best fuel system cleaners for 2026. Whether you drive a car, truck, or SUV, these top-rated products can help keep your engine running smoothly. Stay tuned to see our top picks and find the right option for your vehicle. Links in the description. The BG44K Fuel System Cleaner is a highly regarded fuel treatment designed to help restore engine efficiency and improve overall driving performance. Formulated to quickly clean fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers, this cleaner targets harmful deposits that can build up over time and reduce engine responsiveness. With just one can treating up to 20 gallons of gasoline, it offers a convenient solution for routine fuel system maintenance. One of the most impressive aspects of this product is its cleaning power. The advanced formula works throughout the fuel system, helping to remove carbon buildup that can negatively affect fuel delivery and combustion efficiency. As deposits are eliminated, many drivers notice smoother acceleration and improved throttle response. Another major benefit is its performance restoration capability. Engines that have become sluggish due to fuel system contamination can regain lost power and responsiveness after treatment. This makes the cleaner particularly valuable for vehicles experiencing rough idling or reduced engine efficiency. The product also excels in fuel economy improvement. By promoting cleaner combustion and more efficient fuel delivery, it can help maximize mileage and reduce unnecessary fuel consumption over time. Its combustion quality enhancement is another key advantage. Cleaner combustion chambers support more complete fuel burning, which can contribute to stronger power output and a smoother driving experience. Finally, compatibility is a significant strength. BG44K Fuel System Cleaner works with all fuel system materials, alcohol-blended fuels, and common fuel additives, making it suitable for a wide range of gasoline-powered vehicles. Overall, BG44K Fuel System Cleaner is an effective and trusted solution for maintaining a cleaner, more efficient, and better-performing engine. The Regane 60103 SI1 Complete Fuel System Cleaner is a premium fuel treatment designed to deliver exceptional cleaning performance while protecting critical fuel system components. This 15-ounce 2-pack provides a convenient and effective solution for drivers looking to maintain engine efficiency, restore performance, and promote long-term fuel system health. One of the standout qualities of this product is its cleaning performance. The concentrated formula targets fuel injectors, carburetors, intake valves, and combustion chambers, helping to remove stubborn deposits that accumulate over time. By eliminating these contaminants, the cleaner supports smoother engine operation and improved responsiveness. Another key advantage is its corrosion protection. Fuel systems can be exposed to moisture and other elements that contribute to corrosion. This treatment is specifically formulated to help prevent corrosion, protecting important components and supporting long-term reliability. The product also excels in fuel stability. It enhances gasoline stability while reducing the formation of gum and varnish deposits. This helps keep fuel passages cleaner and allows the engine to operate more efficiently, especially in vehicles that may sit unused for extended periods. Its concentrated formula is another major benefit. Regane combines high-temperature and low-temperature detergents to provide thorough cleaning throughout the fuel system. This advanced blend helps achieve nearly complete cleaning efficiency in a single treatment when used as directed. Finally, the engine efficiency improvement is noticeable. Cleaner injectors and combustion chambers promote better fuel atomization and more complete fuel burn, which can contribute to improved performance and smoother operation. Overall, Regane SI1 Complete Fuel System Cleaner is an excellent choice for drivers seeking professional-grade cleaning, reliable protection, and long-lasting fuel system performance. The Gumout 510014 Regane Complete Fuel System Cleaner is a trusted fuel treatment designed to restore engine efficiency and keep fuel systems operating at peak performance. Featuring the latest carbon-clear technology, this updated formula combines polyethyramine, polyisobutylene, and a patented cleaning technology to deliver a deeper and more effective clean than previous formulations. The convenient 6-pack provides multiple treatments, making it an excellent value for ongoing vehicle maintenance. One of the biggest strengths of this product is its cleaning power. The advanced 3-detergent system works together to remove carbon deposits from fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. By targeting harmful buildup throughout the fuel system, the cleaner helps restore proper fuel flow and combustion efficiency. Another standout feature is its corrosion protection. Modern fuels often contain ethanol, which can attract moisture and contribute to corrosion over time. This formula helps fight ethanol and water-related corrosion, protecting vital fuel system components and extending their lifespan. The product also delivers impressive performance improvement. Cleaner fuel passages and combustion areas help engines run smoother, accelerate more efficiently, and maintain consistent power output. Many users notice improved responsiveness after treatment. Its fuel economy enhancement is another major advantage. By promoting cleaner combustion and reducing deposit formation, the cleaner helps engines use fuel more efficiently, potentially improving mileage after just one tank. Finally, long-term maintenance benefits make this product especially appealing. It not only removes existing deposits, but also helps prevent future carbon buildup, keeping the engine cleaner for longer periods. Overall, Gumout Regane Complete Fuel System Cleaner is a highly effective solution for improving performance, protecting fuel system components, and maintaining long-term engine health. The Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus Fuel System Cleaner is a highly respected fuel treatment designed to clean, restore, and protect critical engine components. Packaged in a convenient 6-bottle case, this 12-ounce formula is suitable for regular maintenance and helps keep gasoline-powered engines operating efficiently. It is widely recognized for its ability to address fuel system deposits that can reduce performance and fuel economy over time. One of the most impressive aspects of this product is its cleaning performance. The advanced formula works throughout the entire fuel system, targeting fuel injectors, carburetors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. By removing harmful deposits, it helps restore proper fuel delivery and supports cleaner combustion. Another major benefit is its power restoration capability. Engines that have lost responsiveness due to deposit buildup can often regain smoother acceleration and stronger overall performance after treatment. Drivers may also notice improvements in fuel economy as the fuel system returns to optimal operating condition. The cleaner also delivers excellent engine smoothness. It helps reduce rough idle, hesitation, engine surge, and spark plug fouling. These improvements contribute to a more refined driving experience and consistent engine operation. Its cold start protection is another valuable feature. The formula improves cold start performance and enhances fuel stability for up to 1 year, making it useful for vehicles and equipment that may be stored for extended periods. Finally, versatility is a significant advantage. In addition to automobiles and trucks, it can be used in motorcycles, boats, recreational vehicles, all-terrain vehicles, lawn equipment, and other gasoline-powered engines. Overall, Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus Fuel System Cleaner is an effective and reliable solution for maintaining fuel system cleanliness, restoring performance, and supporting long-term engine health. The BG Products 44K Fuel System Cleaner 3-pack is a professional-grade fuel treatment designed to restore engine performance and maintain a cleaner fuel system. Trusted by automotive enthusiasts and service professionals, this cleaner works quickly to remove harmful deposits from fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. With 3 bottles included, it provides excellent value for routine maintenance and long-term engine care. One of the most notable advantages of this product is its cleaning power. The advanced formula penetrates and removes carbon deposits that accumulate throughout the fuel system. By cleaning injectors and combustion areas, it helps restore proper fuel flow and promotes more efficient engine operation. Another key benefit is performance restoration. Over time, fuel system deposits can reduce engine responsiveness and overall efficiency. This cleaner helps recover lost power, improve acceleration, and restore smooth engine performance. Many drivers notice a more refined driving experience after treatment. The product also stands out for its fuel economy improvement. Cleaner fuel injectors and combustion chambers contribute to more complete fuel burning, which can help maximize mileage and reduce fuel waste. This makes it a practical option for drivers seeking both performance and efficiency. Its direct injection compatibility is particularly valuable. Modern direct injection gasoline engines are prone to carbon buildup, and this cleaner is specifically well-suited for addressing those challenges while maintaining optimal engine operation. Finally, versatility is a major strength. The formula is compatible with all fuel system materials, alcohol-blended fuels, and common fuel additives. This broad compatibility makes it suitable for a wide range of gasoline-powered vehicles. Overall, BG Products 44K Fuel System Cleaner delivers effective cleaning, improved efficiency, and reliable protection for long-term engine health. That wraps up our list of the 5 best fuel system cleaners for 2026. We hope this guide helped you find the right product to keep your engine clean and performing at its best. Let us know in the comments which fuel system cleaner you prefer, or if you have a favorite that deserves a mention. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching.